Okay, so now we got to pick a different one. I'm just going to do A now. We're going to end up having to do them all, and I'm going to do them all in this video. So this one wants us to call draw background, which is the only function inside of the draw loop. So we're going to do that. So I'm going to copy and paste here. And now it's called in the draw loop as it's moving to the left. Okay, and now I'm going to do C and D next. So it wants the flyer to start at a random Y location between 0 and 400. And we want it to move to a random Y velocity every time it's set. So instead of this hard number, and this is set flyer, we want to make these random numbers. So I'm going to do 0 and oops. It only wants us to use Y, so I'm only going to do it in the Y. So 0, 400. Then I'm going to do a random velocity too. It doesn't give us a number, but I'm going to go between -1 and -5. So it's going to move to the left a certain speed, and we should be able to see it. So it's going pretty fast, pretty fast. Hopefully we get a slower one so we can really see it. And yeah, that is it. And we're going to do the last one. So let's look at this. This is our day function. This is our night function. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the draw day function and I'm just going to change it a little bit because it looks really similar, but there's a slight difference. So I see that the sun is a different color and the background's a different color. The water looks pretty much the same. So in this background function, first for the sky, I want to make it a darker blue. So I might try something like, let's go, let's try 200. And now that's my new one. It's not very green dark yet. So what I actually might do is try more colors. I messed up the wrong one. So let's try 200. That's closer, maybe a little smaller. That looks pretty close. And the water looks even darker too. So I'm going to make the water darker too, like 100. Looks pretty close. Okay, and then my sun's going to be way different. So it needs to be yellow. So that's red and green mixed, right? Or it needs to be gray. Okay, so let's just make this gray. Gray is pretty easy to do. We go all the same colors. And we get rid of this reflection totally. We don't even need it. And that looks about right.